Hello everyone, I'm Bella. This time I will draw a cute owl house. Watch until the end. Okay, the first step is to draw a line to form a tree branch. The owl's house is on the tree. To beautify your pictures, let's decorate the tree branches with leaves. Draw as many pictures as possible and according to your creations, kids. Wow! Our pictures are so beautiful! Next, draw the shape of the owl's house by making pentagon lines and drawing triangular lines for the roof of the house, kids. Absorbed. The birdhouse is finished. Now the owl is no longer in the rain. And it's time for us to beautify our images with beautiful colors. Orange. Blue. Blue. Green. Brown. Green.